We are asked to evaluate square root of 32 minus square root of 50 plus 2 the square root of 162 all over the square root of 2. Now, first of all, let's break down the numerator. Now, 2 values that one must be a perfect square. This square root of 32 will be 16 times 2 because 16 times 2 is 32 and the square root of 16 is 4. So I can write square root of 32 as the square root of 16 times 2. Okay? Minus the square root of 2 times 25. 2 times 25 is 50. The square root of 25 is 5. Okay? Plus 2 the square root of 2 times 81. Because 162, 2 times 81 will give me 162. All divided by the square root of what? 2. So here, the square root of 16 is 4. So I can write it as 4 the square root of what? 2 minus. Here becomes 5 the square root of what? 2 plus. Here now, square root of 81 is 9. So it becomes 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is what? 18. So it becomes 18 the square root of 2 all divided by the square root of 2. Now, if you evaluate the numerator, what will it give you? 4 the square root of 2 minus 5 the square root of 2 plus 18 the square root of 4. Now, let us also subtract those values outside. 4 minus 5 will give you minus 1. So it gives you minus square root of 2 plus 18 the square root of 2. Minus 1 plus 18 will give you 17. So the whole of the numerator will give me, this will be equal to 17 the square root of what? 2 all divided by the square root of 2. Okay? All divided by the square root of 2. Now, this cannot be the final answer because the denominator is still in surd form. So what I need to do is to multiply by the square root of 2 all over the square root of what? 2. Okay? Now, if you do that, root 2 times root 2 is root 4, and root 4 is, the square root of 4 is what? 2. 2 times this will give me 34. Okay? 34 divided by root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is 2. Okay? So 34 divided by 2 will give me 17. So the final answer to this problem is 17. Thank you for watching. If you have learned anything new here, don't hesitate to share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.